Since its debut in 2016, the Bugatti Chiron has been a symbol of engineering excellence, luxury, and sheer speed. Fast forward to 2025, and this hypercar still reigns supreme. But how has it managed to stay on top in a fiercely competitive market? In today's video, we're diving into what makes the Bugatti Chiron the undisputed king of hypercars. Section 1. Engineering masterpiece. At the heart of the Bugatti Chiron is its incredible 8.0-liter quad-turbocharged W16 engine. Producing up to 1,600 horsepower in the Supersport variant, the Chiron obliterates the competition with a top speed of 304 miles per hour. But it's not just raw power. The Chiron's engineering is a delicate balance of speed, aerodynamics, and handling. In 2025, Bugatti continues to push boundaries with innovations like active aerodynamics, a carbon fiber monocoque chassis, and cutting-edge thermal management systems. This makes the Chiron not just fast but also remarkably stable at high speeds. Section 2. Luxury. Like no other, the Chiron isn't just about performance, it's a statement of ultimate luxury. Inside, you'll find the finest materials: hand-stitched leather, solid aluminum, and customizable finishes to suit even the most extravagant tastes. In a market filled with stripped-down hypercars designed solely for track use, the Chiron stands out as a vehicle that combines opulence with extreme performance. It's a hypercar you can race at 200+ miles per hour and still feel like you're in a first-class suite. Section 3. Limited production, unlimited legacy. Another reason the Chiron holds its crown is exclusivity. Bugatti planned to produce only 500 Chirons, and by 2025, nearly every unit is spoken for. Each car is meticulously handcrafted at their iconic Molsheim atelier, making every Chiron a masterpiece. Special editions like the Pure Sport and 110 pay homage to Bugatti's rich history while enhancing the Chiron's performance capabilities. This blend of heritage, exclusivity, and innovation keeps the Chiron at the pinnacle of desirability. Section 4. Challengers to the throne. Of course, the hypercar market in 2025 isn't without challengers. Cars like the Koenigsegg Jesko, Remix Navara, and the McLaren Speedtail have pushed the boundaries of speed, technology, and design. But what sets the Chiron apart is its ability to evolve. Bugatti has continuously refined its formula, ensuring that the Chiron remains at the cutting edge while staying true to its DNA, a blend of art and science. Section 5. Future of Bugatti. Looking ahead, Bugatti is preparing for a new era under the Bugatti Remix partnership. While the Chiron represents the peak of the internal combustion engine, Bugatti's next hypercar is rumored to embrace hybrid technology, blending electrification with the brand's legendary engineering prowess. But even as Bugatti looks to the future, the Chiron remains a timeless benchmark, a reminder of what's possible when passion meets precision. The Bugatti Chiron isn't just a car, it's an icon. Even in 2025, it stands tall in a crowded field of hypercars, thanks to its unmatched engineering, luxury, and exclusivity. As we look to the next chapter of Bugatti, one thing is clear: the Chiron's legacy as the king of hypercars is cemented for generations to come. Do you agree that the Bugatti Chiron is still the king of hypercars in 2025? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth looks at the world's most incredible machines. Thanks for watching.